Welcome to a behind the scenes look at my Airbnb in San Pedro La Laguna at Lake Atitlan. These were my incredible views from my digital nomad chalet, both sunrise, sunset, during the day. But wait, this is the view of my Airbnb from the road and the incredible stairs that I got to climb to get up there for those views. And you guys, full disclaimer, if the host didn't have reviews that he helped people with luggage, there is no way I would have stayed here for obvious reasons with a suitcase. Because without his help or without anyone's help, it's super easy for, a backpacker or whatnot. But with a suitcase, I definitely needed help. So this was my entrance. I had a double locked entrance and a beautiful patio that you can see. And then the doorway to enter my digital nomad chalet. You can tell the walls are beautiful. It's like a mini efficiency and super authentic Guatemalan colors. I had a little place to set up my Herbalife nutrition and some other things I had like cacao, a blender, which I loved, full set of dishes, microwave, gas stove, and more. I love the paintings that he has on the wall too. And one of his previous guests, one of Daniel's previous guests actually painted that painting right there and mailed it to him. And then back out to the views, and I had hot water. The Wi-Fi worked pretty well most of the time. Wasn't super fast, but I could still stream. And you guys, these views, priceless, beautiful lakeside views. That's from across the lake, from San Marcos La Laguna, seeing San Pedro volcano, and how the lanchas look. And again, these views.